This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have plugins and permissions. Now create the shop backbone. Start by placing Essentialsx and Vault jars into the plugins folder and restart the server. Once done, install your economy plugin and restart again so Vault links to it. Next, give yourself Essentials. Shop plus buy and sell nodes via your permissions manager. This avoids permission errors later. Make sure the server console shows Vault hooked to the economy. If not, recheck plugin order and versions before continuing. Now configure the shop mechanics so transactions work smoothly. Open Config. Iml and enable sign shops, set the currency symbol, and adjust item stack and shop limits. Save and reload Essentialsx. To create a shop sign, write shop on line 1, choose buy or sell on line 2, specify the item identifier on line 3, and place the price on line 4, then attach a chest as storage. Once the sign is placed, test a buy and sell to confirm correct amounts and stock handling. Finish by stress testing the shop with different players and item quantities so you catch edge cases. Once done, monitor balances and chest contents to ensure funds and stock update correctly. Make incremental config tweaks if pricing or stack sizes are off. If a shop refuses to transact, check permissions first, then the server log for Vault or economy hook errors. Make sure Vault successfully detects the economy plugin. If not, reorder jars and restart the server, which often resolves detection and linking problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.